Borokigwa abanyene batumanye nararia ya bagwetera kero bakoriya kwenekia emeroberio yegasanga na intwe wetera se mitandao ito yekerero ya Facebook na YouTube na Nsoko TV na maite simenurega go ase screen ya gotunyara ko batogo sanga ase oboime ase okoboko kwane okorio no turenere Alice Kerubo ase ensemo yokoboko kwae gokorio no turenere Brandon Kenagwa na boigo ase okoboko gokorio kwae Brandon no turenere Evans Mogohi ngorengi na alikuwa ndibuya na bodu wende kobe karibu sana mwanchu murigere nganchere bono mba eri bagenda keme mabanyara ko babako gukwania agukwariganya ase enkwana yitu yobutko bwarero tuchake numusubata abata ladies first karibu sana.
Asante.
Thank you so much for creating time na poko mukwani umugusi eri ndo tuchake enkwana yitu ya lero tumanye marieta agwa soma na boigo cheo chako.
Okay. Mbia mwere mwensi abu mondigerete asereta ngoro ko Alice Kerubo Geti ngo the third year student Jomo Kenyatta University. Narayo.
Sawa, karibu sana.
Okay. Asa Marieta nkoro ku Brandon Kenagwa Mwenga. Mwanafunzi third year Jomo Kenyatta University. Nande a student leader ya Gusii Youth Forum. At the same time nere Secretary General o West Mugirango University Students and Colleges Association ekoro ku West Muksa. Yeah, I'm mindo Secretary General. Yeah.
Karibu sana.
Baba kwani mwezi promoter team muyamuri. Samari tanguru ku Mogo Evans. Mwanafunzi umwaka wa 3 ali Jomo Kenyatta University. Muyama.
Karibu sana. Tuko chakantwa bwate Jegusa na West Muksa. Sijui tuanze na tell us something about West Muksa.
West Muksa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Asore muriki wata hiyo.
Oh. As a West Muksa, it's an organization inasimamia chi comrades chionsi cha West Mugirango constituency. Honega seito we amplify chi challenges chi comrades wari bakuru ase a constituency you. We amplify their challenges, we say their problems, we are the voice of all the comrades West Mugirango. We also have a welfare. A welfare you ego keta when one of us akipata shida at least we chip in as a welfare tunamsaidia kwa njia moja au nyingine. Yeah.
Katocha sore umogachi. Tell us something about Jegusa and what does it mean? What does it stand for? Ngego mbokari kekuru.
Mbia mono. Jegusa association ya wanafunzi abagusi bonse beba JKUAT. JKUAT ni bate organization chinde abo Jegusa ayamasi echuchinde. Bono intu tubate iya itobono irito komera na bagusi twagamba mungani tutwabanga no chi meetups twakonyana kero enchere yamasi yende as one students tibono ndi treasurer as Jegusa you.
Nice, yes, treasury. Wagata ni uko na pochi. Gatocha sore Evans tutaracho nkwada yito butko bwalero. How far is it buna aborokiwa understanding ngomugiro no gendrete bwa aborokia as a university of Kenya. Na kimwa very affected so far na ndinga kimiro video yechisem yagendrete in your personal capacity na boigo asa aborokiwa baminase nsemo ya JKUAT.
So far the lecturer strike agendrete amasomo spi masomo te yagendrete as all public universities. Ono ndome tindia kwirana te tinga till further notice kegera serikali na bari mbari beto mbara igwana era no bagwa te meeting Machakos tura manyiki bakwana tukuruba iganguri tora kusemba igwana lakini bado masomo tayo one university public universities
yunga kia ba affected so far una borkiwa
ine chinjira ni chinyinga ya to affected kuna financial strengths kiagera bono umeti semester nje chibe chintambe alafu igo meaning erente ikwara wakana biko mente meeting gite andi bono tukuragira posani ya tote masomata iya kiagera abandi bone gebona bachire nka kuri banyakobero aguchia soko nyore ndagera kwaragira andi bone gwakore gasi nka nukunya kuri maiga ne bintu bindi ne ono graduation yaito ono bone ndoto kiri go graduate 2027 2028 one gocha kwenda guchimutu
ubona kinga kichiko cha usikubona enda guchina andi guchiposia
yeah
tikatocha sore Brandon as you respond to the same question napo igoto manye what came into you kerogwa emirobiri yawe yachagete ko quest for higher education ase ogosoa Chemichechi University. How did it start? Your desire was ase university ko pursue course ko enta to pursue one you as you respond na enga kwa very affected no mugiroga entrate wa aboroki
bono strike yechi lecturer goteba yara biro kurugese SM chaka sasa kutoka SM yanze inamaanisha hakuna masomo imekuwa totally 100%. Sasa unaona saa hii university students wako stranded in their various campuses, hawajui wafanye nini. Alafu pia kuna hiyo financial constraint, nikisema kenye mwenzangu amesema hapo, kuna hiyo financial constraint. Najua being a university comrade is not an easy thing. Mimi kwanza kabisa, mimi kama katibu generali wa West Mugirango Comrades Association, naweza sema nime receive many calls. Unapata student anakuambia ako Moi University kwa mfano, ako Moi University hajalipa rent, ana chakula cha kukula, alafu at the same time hakuna masomo inaendelea, unaona. Alafu another thing, umo waziri Julius Ogamba aliulizwa kuhusu strike, akasema tama eti mbona ti lecturers tiko strike. Sasa unaona hiyo inaleta shida, waelewani, kuna hiyo mvutano sana inaleta shida sana. Alafu your second question, the challenges or the challenges or what made me decide to go for high education. You know, education is the ultimate equalizer. Education. Sasa in this society yenye tunaishi, kwa mfano kwa watu wanatoka humble backgrounds, wanahitaji education ndo at least nao wakuwe na jina kwa society. Sasa hiyo ndo ilinifanya nikachagua kosa ambayo nilichagua, na nikasema ninatamani kuingia katika chuo kikuu cha Jomo Kenyatta niweze kufanya hii course ili nikimaliza na mimi nirudi huko kwetu penye nimelelewa, as a young man from Nyamira, nirudi niinue my society.
Coming to you Alice, na yangu mention ya no Morokia mwaka wa 3 ase university ya JKUAT na ikero kwandra ama kumwali yoga ndato gwetera sai najisema chitaga ndreti and this wali yakabiri na bodi abamino na what made you to decide to pursue your course in a higher education level?
Njena tebe district chaboni gachi atu factory ninto aba gachi comrades for university do it's not easy as in na brand na teba to be a comrade challenges ni nyingi wana mle strike error most of students na bako lose focus in studies wa be involved na mangana ayamba be mna amajogo minto mdebyo plus bono bado ya korire e calendar ju SMS yiga ya bere maybe be push to next year ni yogo to affect e calendar ito ya masomo komentra nayo na ndia ya kutoka mnacho students tore idol sana na ndito cha kuera na school wana eko bidi chi lecturers vai pacha got some na nbi bintu what some the last time officially na bado time consuming na bona tebigo plus mna criticize au yakabiri kwa mbori goro ya ngiki agere tenka proceed to higher education ikina tebe being determined nimete ikinta ite cover in the future so I have to push harder through that ese gari se bono yama somaro chi umna as soon as the way to change life in the future na to get opportunities for more chibona bangote bekina ikeko gera usikia gerete nga proceed with my studies to higher education.
Tiga to cha sura ase Evans bona toso ase wasoira ase university bona gwachakire chisemi nimete challenges there amange aroro ntubwato mugiro yoga ndate kwa borkia ntubwate personal challenges tigatura kwandra about financial challenges notion there is carrying a high education is too expensive kero kwa financially how affordable chisemi chechi university chire in terms of mentality asa ngento kero kwa university kwa tawanga masomo huko ni expensive lakini you've tried to maneuver through with those financial challenges and I've mentioned not eventually change
as a university and having a financial constraint na a main challenge kegera chibesa na chikirege ntoboni go chibesa na chigutumia kwa kana rent na chigutumia koragira na chigutumia kwa kana school fees ono nande aborokia bange tokura se family atabenga humble backgrounds aba ibere bita banga konyora naba ari mutata bana ba primary aba secondary abarembe bana bwa bange mono ano buna bana chibonus chichae medio sana yani chiaje de chirijime na chiwa affect amasomo yaito kiagara okonyora tubwati rent abo gushikirwe nyomba onye school fees tubwati matemturi okora se school ejichetu ande okuragira bono injira okonyaro tukwelimit no okuragira okuragira kemambi
sasa une comrade
kangela bata inu okoinama kanchi atakwaga nyamara kwao ichina chi main challenges to with
Katocha sore Brandon creo event yako kwa na these challenges financial support lere kurua se serikali we can talk of help here takateko korra maonchuri we have these bands placement kanyara ba orkiwa mbale bari batari kwenyara lakini bakabe kuchi bands bichi chiro overwhelming bata kwenta ko how do you maneuver na hizi financial challenges
okay kitu ya kwanza the government will introduce again to gekoro ku the new funding model. The new funding model imedivide our wanafunzi wetu university koru band 1 band 2 mpaka band 5 bono wakorigereria una the capability of kila mzazi. Unajua wazazi wafanani kwa pesa yenye wanaweza lipa school fees, so wanaangalia the capability ya kila mzazi. For example, kama mzazi ni akona a high paying job, wana place yo mwanafunzi band 5 juu inamaanisha kama mzazi anapata let's say a salary of 200,000 anaweza manage kulipia mtoto band 5. Wono this new funding model which was introduced by the government, we are beneficiaries by the way wenye tuko dhadia sahi. This new funding model naweza sema iko na positivity ni watu vya obobe, lakini obobe iko mingi, iko na disadvantage zake ziko mingi kuliko advantage. Unaona juu sasa I have a friend mwenye alikuwa ako placed in band 5. Sasa ako placed in band 5, the reason, one of the factors zenye wanaangalia ulisoma primary school gani, ulisoma school gani. So yako band 5 juu aliwahi soma a private primary school, na hiyo private primary school unapata alikuwa analipa fees ya 7,000 per term. Sasa unaona, you cannot assume that since we alikuwa in a private aqua public primary school anaweza manage kulipa fees ya 150,000. Okay. Amoso unapata pia mimi niko band 4. Sasa hiyo band 4 unapata wanaangalia let's say uliwahi soma ka private school kingine primary ulikuwa unalipa let's say a fees of 8,500 per term. Sasa umwako mgima hiyo inakuwa less than even 30. Lakini sasa they assume since ulikuwa unasoma private academy na huko kana school fees ya 150. Uono hata nikiweza kuuliza uoniga gusi yote kuna watu wangapi wanaweza manage ama wanaweza afford kulipa fees ya 200,000 ya mwaka mzima? Unaona hiyo inakuja inakuwa juu. And as my colleague said, unapata wazazi wetu wengi ni walimu, unapata ni mwalimu wa primary ama na baremi wanategemea bonus. Alafu saa hii chai
Bwana sifa ni siada wa ayuko hiwa wote.
Chai saa hii unaona ilishuka bei. Alafu you can see the challenges. So unaona it becomes very hard umwanori okurire form 4 wetira matemu anataka kupasiu masomo yake, anataka let's say anataka kufanya a medical course. Kama anataka kufanya medical course unapata ni 600,000. So government inasema imemlipia, lakini unapata imemlipia 400,000, anabaki na 200. Sasa atamanage aje kuru mtu ametoka where I come from, uko Nyamira, uko ndani, struggling parents, mzazi au korachi kona at least alete kupata a meal a day inakuwa ngumu. Sasa huyu atasava amepita mtihani yes kutoka form 4, lakini ataendelea aje, ataingia aje university, alafu wazazi wake walipe aje fees. Na siku hizi kufanya arambe mchango ni ngumu sana singencho. Siku hizi abana kuruhusi wanapita sana ama timu konyora ka village Kenyu watu kama 30 wanaenda university. Sasa unaona kila boma iko na oyo comrade mwenye anajua ni university, demand iko juu. Sasa kuweka hiyo arambe inakuwa shida. Sasa unaona it becomes very difficult. Yeah.
Tetoja Salis, utuambie mbandikio wekire nande, how do you now balance asingenjo economy tari gukora buya no mwanafunzi no gwente ko egendereri serikali rongo bwatu kere chiwesa and maybe andake ya delay, how do you balance to survive?
Teri raisi waju mwenjembe kire band for na Brandon band for you tukuri fee over mune kosiani fee there over 250,000 per year. Wanabu balancing ata no na ba to help you yezi keta for everything, food, accommodation, learning materials ekoba difficult sana ku balance. Lakini bono mune ncho mwanafunzi na bondi gitaka side hustle kago nkonya to make things meet, like kuve bono biya biba line biya bono juu kingwa kane nyumba of course umwe ngo provide real kinta kwa kire kintu jinamete ngonyorore help bono side hustle le yo ani ngonyo buyanga iga bona bonkonya sometimes na igori rebintu binde tingo tegemea kire kintu umwe bori june na take konga kanire fi sometimes it very difficult to get a balance. Muna bede education ya Kenya sai it's quite expensive. Yeah. Nonyeto ko help you. Ono teri raisi go. Ndo konyora to balance or reke ko work nae. Okore otumie kerekio ko bere university.
Evans karoto cha sore. What do you think riogi ria barki wabuna inu and with the organization mobile like Jekusa West Muksa nebinde, do you feeling your grievances in Chirikova catered because even the bands puna Brandon near Raidega Nkonyara muri bagabuna barki wa mwate banga ebirangere bitu we feel this should be done like this ekakoruga nekega. Do you feeling nebana no mugiro yigoga entrete abarki wa nkobwatira no muri ebirangere so that na inu mwaro ideas puna barki wa to solve some issues chire still
mbia bono ne konyera mega ngakinere our president atwarete meeting na comrades wakamutebi any funding model ye teringia lakini bado na pekee tetekere any funding model ye na payment te chiwa sidokoro ke chia upkeep kagere bali bamege bakaruchinge ntungwe kutorichinyingake lakini obobe tokwe kuchinyingake lakini the cost of living nere kwenda hiyo yana venga toko mkono kushoto
toka kwingine
kinono egente funding model yengengia yaga kandi school fees direct tokanyarire okonyara unaboniga abantu bakore kosiani kuri ochigoro bakora bawakana chibasa chinke bali wakana basa chinge bune ntwa okonyara taketoka na 70,000 per semester ose bune nchano band for bakery 7,000 per semester iwaso mwaka 140,000 ichiko bako nkonyara nchiri kwa raisi okagara tubate mbata bana ba minta bande arabate kirwa kana chibasa chinde so I think grievances chito
barigo chitegar. Brandon, do you think now, okay, essence ye ebyombe bibino moro stibuna wanafunzi, is it only to cater as a interest na bayo grievances chaba orki wabo chinu na students, lakini murigo petition what you need from the either the university or the education institution, including a ministry?
Okay, well, no. Mighty, let me say the Gusii Youth Forum. Gusii Youth Forum, ere Nyamira na Bosongo, chi counties tobwate bere. We have really tried. We always do frequent meetups to discuss these challenges, but kufikia huko mbele we feel like viongozi tobwate abeshimwa tobwate mbali hatusikii vizuri. Esengencho as Evans amesema, comrades, student leaders, a group of student leaders walikutana na president early this year. Wakatoa suggestions zao, wakasema hii new funding model haifanyi kazi lakini bado inaendelea, unaona. So we feel ntuguna chi student was nechi student leader, our voices, we are trying to raise our voices, but we are not atuskizwi kamwe. Yeah.
Tesoja sore alisipono tugos kabosio toso ase emeroberio gukire nechi semichina ase ebirasi kirabono to put aside these challenges. How far education as Nseme University yabeire with the current technology advancement again rete?
Bono education ya boniga technology kwanza ya kerite ama soma bere easier than kubwa kare. Boniga na basoma na computer, laptop ya unyumba na baba liba kwa somi online classes yaba easier for learning. Bona bangoteba aya boniga masoma boniga compare na kitambo is way better.
Kirogo compare na kurumai na kirogo kwenda bono gender inclusivity currently inubuna barko abanyaruka mbale bayisogeti abange by the way course yo paso
biostatistics
abarko mbaro abanyaruka bayisokira sobonge for this high education.
Bona mnaintu abana abanyaruka theory easy yakogera ndo challenges natinge to wetera yembo yabo na gender bias konyora inequality harassment even to nebinge bona teri ko babara isi mostly aso mwana mwisike ko gendera na masomo. For example kera inyorre anyorre mwana ka gendera masomo teri which yaba raisi but through all gote matori terrorism to kore.
Evans, kero kwanda the technology advancement, you know, we have the AI, kuna siji ChatGPT kitu kayo. How do you think ebono ya advanced especially higher education as a university?
As a technology ya enhance mono ama somo the higher education. Asingenjo waniga ku access masomo ndaisi ilikuwa kuna lirikari kwa ruhusa ase library ase physical library kama kwenye vitabu. Wani yana bogo online uriye kitabu onyora masomo ali watakire konyora. Lakini wana ndi challenges injiro kiagera tarikiro muntu kunyarago ku access the tarikiro muntu wate chigwere ndi chigaje na ndi internet nero ni shida.
That's it. Na poko mentrase ekwende yo keroto kukwandra boyko with the comrades mostly na poko nyora very online. They are the ones who tweet the most and now bako what the information the most, but we now have these cyber, should I call them amendments, yeah, cyber crime laws, yeah. What do you think which will affect in terms of inuna chi comrade na ande keromoko gendreno lewa chi semichino to pass and find information?
Okay, first of all, technology ya konyere sana imesaidia sana. Ukicompare the year 2015 na sai the advancement of technology imepanda sana. It has gone to levels no one saw it coming. For example, tuvote online class siku hizi tayari lazima ugende utoke kwa nyumba uende class, uende shule, you just go to your laptop, you join an online class, alafu unafundishwa. Unaweza pata naonde usi lakini nimbo ate class ikendelete. Unaona? Igo ya konyire sana. Alafu tokende nabo kama hata kama ujielewa lecturer kenyamenini nabo kwenda utumike AI iko gosomi buya kire gento ngora uelewe. Lakini sasa it comes with challenges. Unaona? Not every comrade can access a laptop. Not every comrade can access a smartphone. And if a comrade can access a smartphone, not every comrade can access the internet. Eko very challenge sana. Alafu someone might try to argue aseme shule kuna wifi ya shule. Lakini sasa ukiangalia wifi ya shule iko very very weak. Haiwezi saidia. Alafu unaweza angalia the cost of living venye kubai data bundles ni ngumu. Moving on to the cybercrime. Okay, cybercrime bill, I think the government is trying to kanyagilia chini the young people. Juu the young people ndo wanapatikana social media sana. Juu I've gone through it. I went through it and ati inasema if you give false information you can be arrested. Alafu ukikuwa arrested 15 million. You see, it's so funny, 15 million. So that cybercrime bill which was assented to by the president contradict the first chapter of the constitution, the freedom of not the second chapter, freedom of expression. Anyone can express. Kama mimi nasikia kuna kitu ufanyi vizuri, I can express in social media, I can express niseme Clinton kunafanyi vizuri. It's a right. I mean ngo feel buna hiyo cybercrime wanajaribu kusuppress the masses. It's the government is weaponizing it.
Yeah. Alice, what can you make a point on the same ekero, especially the youths now the majority of access these online spaces? Personally I don't know what the social media handles, but nakiora kwandre kero stringent measures bune chikachiko beku bago tebanga they are curbing the illegal activities.
Bongo teba maybe at some point ningiere asande na vya teringia asengencho. Sometimes we as Gen Zs we express our grievances to the public. Wamenje tingwanda asayonende inyora ni president osomuntu the high nini nyari kwa nerego ono druigo we can kwa nikindete online express how you feel about something. When you got about you but arrest ko kwa nikenteke. Sometimes we need to talk like as Gen Zs. Tell us mati siji njendoche teringia yakano nyene chikwere chibabekita tijuko kwa nego chibesa ofu chibese choka patu bekete nechinyinge onete yate oranyari wa Ford nendibona mna abana funzi toso on at some point teringia
tikatocha sora Evans kerotoga na tukwane nkwane tukoria gochiko kodera. What do you think kwara konyora ribaga rio ogokwandra sector HSM? It can be the ministry, it can be the management in university. Aso oganete babeke emeroberio herinde korobia chiseme because ayengo korore ngo sokore naro rore school ya secondary saizi na hero bwate kanga yoko soa abwate chiseme chichu university. What do you think should be done kora chiseme chichu university chibe in a smooth way kuikiranio?
Mimi mana siri swali ni asibari bakuru chi secondary unawana matemgete KCSE achakire. We wish them all the best and tulikuwa discourage ujokoria amasomo wachabaria the higher education singe chana ya maana na bago tokonya guchimoto asa serikali. I think they can help loan na wako nyebeka yacha on time ya konya bantu kegero modonaro kutumia help wakane rent no ya 4 months kegera our semester runs for 4 months kwanya rumonta kutumia loan iwa kana for 4 months as rent na ibintu bindara gendera ko kora giona kere kunyuri yacha tayo mutinyo komi konya ratera konya comrade yoi and they can also help kuwaka na our lecturers on time kegera masomo nadi the calendar ito our calendar of the year take over disrupted na graduation ito nadi tariko suki kumatu yawa memo
okay checking tundate during Kibaki's time the national budget used to be 600 billion, around 600 billion, and he used to use that money to pay all the doctors, all the civil servants, all the teachers, all the policemen, the army. Everyone used to be paid. Imagine 600 billion ilikuwa inatosha hiyo wakati. Na ukiangalia saa hii, for example last year, the government allocated 633 billion to the Ministry of Education. So nche again to nda kwane kitu, I can argue that the 600 billion plus which is allocated annually umwaka mugiwa inaweza tosha ku make education free. If that 600 billion ilikuwa inatosha kulipa all the civil servants, all the workers in the year let's say more than a decade ago, hiyo 600 billion it can be used to make education free. Alafu again to my appeal to all the stakeholders of education, to the members of parliament, to the Ministry of Education, to everyone involved, why do we need to have a governor CDF, MP CDF, mpaka MCA akona basari zake zenye anapeana, na kuna basari pia ya Office of the President, kuna basari ya ministry. Okay, chibasari chichionsi wakiweza zi consolidate wakuwa natumia hizo pesa to the various institutions, I feel like education can be free. As I said earlier, education is the ultimate equalizer. If education is the ultimate equalizer, we need to figure out, we need to see and find ways of how we can make this education affordable to everyone. Education, if I call privilege, it's a right to every Kenyan. Esengencho, we pay taxes. For example, venye tulikuja hapa, we paid kulipa fare, kukuja, transportation. We participate in paying taxes. So my argument is, and this message, allow me to make a song. This message, I want to send it to all the stakeholders of education. Consolidate these funds that you are giving to, even up to Office of the Spouse of the President, Office of the Governor, all of them are kona funds. Consolidate this money and send it to the various institutions so that we can make education free. Again, tokende chi lecturer strike. Chi lecturer wamekuwa ki strike kuru the past 2 months chere kuru chi lecturer chaka strike yabo 2 months zimeisha. Sasa ni kusema kwamba hakuna mtu anaona kuna strike ya ma lecturers, hakuna. Na before a strike walikuwa wamepeana 1 month notice ya kwamba watakuja ku strike. 1 month notice ikaisha, bado hakuna kitu serikali imefanya na waka strike. Wamekuwa ki strike all along 2 months. Mwaka ndio inaendelea kuisha. University students wako stranded, ase universities wako stranded, hawajui kitu ya kufanya. The cost of living is high. Some of them wanajitegemea. Hakuna side hustles wanaweza fanya. The young people, the young generation is depressed. My appeal is to the government, pay the lecturers, listen to our grievances. Yeah.
Yes, so Alice had to respond to the same question. Never made over kwanere na Europa semi kuchase umwana munyaruka uyo oligeti kosoa nera se chisemi chigase university nera iganderie buna ino.
Numantara kuyirani radio plante banana ki into as young people. The future looks so good if sisi young people to be supported, not to be involved in decision making. Era very easy juu mnabonika ndo pa improve our learning. We say masomo ya bonika government ya Rwanda improve mente funding etomente funding juu chipese chwa tu anjiri wotu isanga ke batomente irinde tonyare to kuikirania magani ito onsi komitera nayo umwana oso tete ojoy nere university remno muiseke atakere kumanya mangana namange abana beske bawitira bari campus muna jinate ba sex harassment amangana magabana beske bawitira kero bari university aimno mwana tete ojoin se uracho join later no yabe ka bakora matemboni ga form 4 ikyo ntikomanya noko irenda aimno muiseke to respect kocha aimno monyene alafu no bwati freedom ya campus lakini ocha iko get a balance juu for mental health mutakere associate na bana bande you have a good time balance amasomo naro at the same time sometimes they cover difficult but take care of what discipline above all discipline na bokonya rego balance even to beyonce na yebona
ase okokora bana tigamba ida memo ande tu akwane girl child na na bokuri bageri kana yo urobo semia se boy child kero togo koda nae urwe you are parting shot in that minute ende okwandre what do you see your future kurbono after Chiseme Church University? What do you want to pursue in life kero togo koda
mema na sitoi anda tebe buna to criticize government ana utoko bate imbe mono because na kuri a decade ago abanafunzi bengi university nabake but as of now 2024 we have at least a larger number so now tokuba ira nilimbe mona singe njogo comment at the number of universities I think right now tuwatange 70 universities in the Republic of Kenya alafu we have more of the TVETs and colleges. There are more than 2,000 I guess ichichiko Kenya as a akagera abanafunzi barako nyara bakoma kera gura matemo lakini kero monta gura matemo itari romwere wa maisha abo akwenda certificate anya a certain skill ya mukonya kuchimotwa soko gimo ase mwane boy child think boy child ligentona tave kujituma
siku zote thank you so much Evan sasa Brandon na mimi tasoko kodera
sasa vyamono nche una ndea so mwako gatatu ngochi gukora I have my aspiration is to echo and to raise the challenges the young people face. Not only university students, we also have college students, TVET students. I would like to echo more. I would like to echo their challenges. I would like to be a voice to them, to raise their concern. Yeah, so the ambition yani. Alafu again tokende to add on top on what Evan said, I would also want to thank the government for because they have really tried to increase the number of universities. Kwanza Nyamira yetu twaviri miaka mengi hatujaikuwa na university. Si tunasikianga kuna Kisii wako na Kisii University. At least niliona ground breaking ceremony. At least Nyamira na Itotoe University. Again tunaweza taka ni ku appeal to the relevant authorities or increase the number of universities. Tunahitaji at least 2 Kurunyamira for example. Alafu another thing again to ndate bari chi secondary waendelee kujituma ku work hard at least na wao wa achieve dreams zao. Asante.
Thank you so much. A minute na ya Soralis as we wind up.
Nchiki na kwere kingo tebanga. Inosho nero mostly gari bana ngabao teba maybe. Noitaringa anywhere. Tinosoma kore gasteyo. Ya gasteyo lakini aimno umwano ukinabono notaki resemi. Te lazima uriku. Mune ncheko singo karaba statistics. Si lazima niandikwe government no niwa kama anywhere. Neza fungua kwerendia nengore. Labongo ba jumuna muna toge ndeto somiga. Tuanyore to kwegeru ebintu ebinge via data research. For example, ko tumia mna R Python those many ngoto konya bire nonye tori amasomoka ebintu binde bya insiko para research many things. So nko ba urge those students who are planning to join universities don't be discouraged. Mobe encourage dinga na gendera gusoma tumetibati yao konyo utarike tu tedikati na itoko riko ona isoma be determined, be passionate about anything, about everything you do. Nari the future yako wikira ni muna kwa kaniti.
Thank you so much. Nkubakira mbia mono se ho wikira na se studio to asangira mange, and we will find another time na ndo togendra go sanga ya kuba semia senge nchaba ru kuba gendrete amatemu aba manene. They are looking forward abange baba go join university so that by semia mange kurwase more nari bara chikurobiria ko ikirene. Thank you so much Alskerbo. Thank you so much Brandon Kenagwa. Thank you so much Evans Mogoi. Nayo mwanchu morigera to gwakira mbuya mana sogo sanga naintwe no to ikira omwira senkwa na ite jumeiga twasangira mangegoro yechisemi konende nkora nanda se MSM yakuru ensoko chinsa isato togendre kubwatira na kumanyaria ne kiwase ritukeri gasiri bagari abambo atase kurwase studio ya kabere togote bogendra gutwaro borige byo bya bwemero bya gendata sembe oyensoko TV.